Hello everyone. Today, Hatan will introduce the dish, grilled shrimp with scallion oil, a rustic, delicious and very popular dish. How to make. Prepare ingredients. Fresh shrimp 600 grams, scallions 100 grams, peanuts 50 grams, cooking oil. Seasoning, a little salt, ground pepper, sugar, optional. Accompanying foods, rice vermicelli, raw lettuce, herbs, cucumber, sweet and sour fish sauce. Steps to make. Wash the shrimp, use scissors to cut off the whiskers and legs. You can leave the shrimp whole or use a knife to lightly cut a line on the back of the shrimp. Marinate the shrimp with a little salt and ground pepper. Roast the peanuts in a hot pan over low heat until golden brown and fragrant. Remove the skin and crush. Wash the scallions, chop the green leaves. Put the cooking oil on the stove and heat it up. Put the chopped green onions in a bowl, slowly pour the hot oil into the bowl of onions. The scallion oil is done when the scallion is cooked through, has a lush green color and a characteristic fatty aroma. Add a little salt or seasoning to the scallion oil for a richer flavor, optional. You can use a charcoal grill to grill the shrimp for the best taste, an oven, or an air fryer. Place the shrimp on the grill. Grill each side for about 4 minutes, depending on the size of the shrimp, until the shrimp turns a bright orange-red color and is cooked evenly. Important note, grill until done so that the shrimp retains its sweetness and firmness, without drying out. The shrimp cooks very quickly. The shrimp is cooked when the shell curls up and the meat inside turns from transparent to opaque white. Drizzle with scallion oil. Immediately after the shrimp is grilled, while still hot, arrange the shrimp on a plate. Use a spoon to drizzle the scallion oil evenly over the shrimp. Sprinkle with peanuts. Sprinkle crushed peanuts on top. Presentation and enjoyment. Arrange grilled shrimp with scallion oil on a plate. Place a plate of rice vermicelli next to it. Prepare a plate of raw vegetables and sliced cucumbers. Enjoyment. Pick up the shrimp, peel them, and place them on the rice vermicelli. Serve with raw vegetables and dip them in sweet and sour fish sauce mixed to taste. The fatty and fragrant flavor of scallion oil, the crunchy and rich peanuts, and the sweetness of the shrimp combined with the rice vermicelli and dipping sauce will create an unforgettable culinary experience. Things to note, the quality of the shrimp determines 90% of the deliciousness of the dish. Choose fresh shrimp that are not soft or have a strange smell. Grilling shrimp requires a moderate heat, not too high to avoid burning the shrimp on the outside while the inside is not cooked. The grilling time is very fast, about 6 to 10 minutes in total depending on the size. Making scallion oil. When making scallion oil, the oil must be hot enough but not too boiling to avoid burning the onions, losing their beautiful green color and fatty and fragrant flavor. Peanuts. Roast the peanuts first and crush them just before serving to keep them crispy. Dipping sauce. Grilled shrimp with scallion oil goes well with diluted sweet and sour fish sauce. You can add a little chopped chili to increase the spiciness. Grilled shrimp with scallion oil is a dish with rich Vietnamese flavor characterized by the harmonious combination of the natural sweetness of fresh shrimp, the fragrant fatty taste of scallion oil, and the fatty crispy taste of crushed roasted peanuts. This dish is not only eye-catching with the bright orange-red color of the shrimp but also stimulates the taste buds with its characteristic aroma. Usually, grilled shrimp with scallion oil is eaten with bon hoi, a type of vermicelli woven into thin sheets, creating a perfect combination, both filling and not greasy. This is an ideal dish for barbecues, family gatherings, or simply a delicious afternoon meal. Our video ends here. Thank you and see you again in the next episodes with many special recipes.